Hey beaders, it's Daniela from Estella Wild Designs, and today we're going to open up the magical mystery bead box from Jesse James Beads, and this is the February box. It's going to be very exciting. I love these boxes. See if I can open it. I have problems with this, as you know. Oops. Yeah, you see? And here is the huge problem. Oh, look, it opened up. All right, let's see what's theme for this month is, of course, Farewell Tucson. I think I'm going to go there in the fall. Cool. And here's what's in the box. We're going to take a look at that in a moment. This is a little coupon, I think. All right. And all this stuff. Okay. Let's leave it there. All right. So first we have little mini mix in turquoise. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Well, we have to open it, of course. Wow, look at this. I like turquoise. It's a very beautiful color, I think. Look. Isn't it nice? There are four of these long type of things with holes going through the top there. Okay. And we have two of those. They are kind of rounded column beads. Cool. And we have some other stones. I find 3 of these. I like stone pebbles, something. And then we have a little assortment of kind of donuts, and I don't know what that's called. Long things. All right. Nice, nice. I like this color. I have to move this over here, I guess. Yeah. And then we have also a little mix of tassels. The tassel mix in, I think these are kind of cool colors. See if I can stay in the frame. It would be nice. And the tassels are 1, 2, I think we have 4 of these, kind of a petrol blue green type of flower tassels. I'm sorry. There, I think we had 4 with golden tops, like that. And we have 2 of these kind of orangey sand colored, also flower tassels. And we have 1, 2, okay, 3 of these turquoise silk tassels, and 2 of these cream colored flower tassels. Look at that. Very cool. Very nice. Too bad there wasn't 4 of those small these turquoise silk tassels. Never mind. And then we have, what is this? This is, let's see, there are some toggle clasps, 2 toggles, and let's see. Okay, let's start with this. 2 toggle clasps. I think these are very nice, actually. They're like a coppery tone. I like toggles. All right. And then we have, I have to move the camera a little bit. Sorry. Where are the stuff? It's over there. All right. Oh, let's move this down so we can see it. All right. And then we have these 2. I think these are for cord ends. And that's fitting because then we have cord. A little piece of cord here. It's kind of nice, I think. It's brown. It's not that long. Maybe you can make like a bracelet or something. And then we have a thinner cord, and that is in, I think it's dark brown, and this is like reddish brown. Nice. And what else we have? Oh, this is nice. This is a little bag of, maybe I should have this here. Let's see. These are, ooh, they are like Pom Poms. Fuzzy white Pom Poms. They're nice. They're cute. And then we have two, oh, super glittery, sparkly blue balls of some kind. They're nice. Go very well together with the turquoise and everything here. And then we have two, what is this? It looks like, kind of like two dried flowers. Can you see? They're kind of cute actually. It must be some kind of fabric. Yeah, I think so. They're very nice. God, everything's a mess here. And then we have, what is this? Oh, this is called a metal mix, a mini metal mix. Let's rip it open. Yes. Let's see what's inside. Here we have a little cactus there. And we have some leaves. I think we have at least 5 leaves. 5 leaves, 2 cactus. And this is a bead with a lot of holes. I think, no, it just had 2, I think. Look, isn't it nice? Very nice. Put it over here, maybe. It be there. All right, and then we have, oh my gosh, I love the bead strands. I really do, I must say. This is so cool. Look at this, and the colors. This is like a golden coppery bead. I don't know, I think it's plastic, I don't know. This is nice. It's a glass, faceted glass. This is, I don't know what this is. Look, isn't it beautiful? And this one, look at this. Very nice. Oh, this is so cool. And the other one looks like, I think they're kind of short, aren't they? Yeah, I think they're shorter than usual. This is like a turquoisey golden strand. It's very nice. I like these focals. They're cool, these boho focals. And we have some pearl, nice bead caps. And this is some kind of a crystal and a spacer. And I don't know what this is. It could be a stone. I think so. I like to think so. And it's very nice. It's a light turquoise with kind of like white inside. Very, very pretty. Now I'm going to put them over here, I think. Yeah. And then we have, I think these are 2 feathers. Yes, there are 2 feathers in also this petrol blue green color. Let's see. Take them out. Oh, this is so nice. Look at the color. Isn't it amazing? I think it's really nice. Fluffy, beautiful feathers. Put one here and one over here, I think. No, there. And then we have, no, not yet. What is this? We have this these chains that they always send. The first one has number 13. I don't know. This is, I don't know. Never mind. It's in a nice yellow, nice golden color with red crystals on. And it's really, I think this is really nice actually, because the golden color is not so yellow, bright yellow. This is like toned down yellow. It's nice. And the good thing is that you can take all of this apart and use every single component as it is, or you can just put on some things and you can use it as a backing or whatever. It's really nice. It's really nice, this. I'm gonna put it like this. That was in red, and this one is, I suppose, the same. So we have two of the same here. It's nice. It's very nice. Let's see what else we've got in here. All right, we have a little a bead mix in a little jar. Let's do it like this. And in here we find a lot of different goodies, I must say. What is this? These are like column beads in dark topaz color. And I find 4 of those. Nice, aren't they? I think they are nice. Yeah, and then we have, what is this? These are, I think they are hearts with let's see. It's like a little etched flower. Can you see that? Inside. They are very cute. And they are clear with a little topaz-y color to them. And these here are what I don't know what they are called. They are round with the edges shaved off. It's a nice red color anyway, orangey red. You see? They're very nice. You put them here. And then we have two of these kind of rectangle beads in, I don't know what color this is, but maybe like a topazy green, I would say, if I'm not totally colorblind, which I might be. Cool. Make some space for them there. And then we have, I think these are, I don't know, maybe these are ceramics. I think there are some kind of ceramic, like an orange bead, like around 8 millimeters or something. And I have 2 of them. And we have 2 of these. Oh, I dropped something. Never mind. Of these turquoisey aqua beads. I think they're very nice color. Yeah. It's just like a jumble of things here. And here are, that was 1 heart. All right. Here we have some bead caps. Let's see. How many are there? There are a few of these bead caps. They are like a coppery bronze color. I kind of like these. They're nice. They're not the flat ones. They have like they look like this. Can you see? Hope so. They're nice. What else do we have in here? We have 2 of those beads. Very nice color, I say. They are like a pink orange color. You can see. Very nice. And then we have a little assortment of different things in here. And the colors are totally matching. Everything is like very nice in here. Hope you can see it. There are a lot of different ones in here. Nice. Let's see. To put them over here, I guess. And all right. And the last thing in the box is howdy partner, it says. What's this? A rustic charm from Lipstick Ranch. Cool. Let's have a look at it. Lipstick Ranch. I've never heard of it. Maybe they have a website. Oh, this is cool. This is really sturdy and it's you cannot bend it. But what I wonder is, where? Yeah, there is a little hole up here. Let's see where I can find something that's white there. There is a little hole, so you can use it as a pendant. It's very nice, I think. It's a very beautiful one. And I'm sorry to say that that was it. That's all there was in the box. I don't think it was that much this time. A little bit disappointed, but the colors are very nice, and it's always fun to get these boxes. It's like candy, you know. To me, it is like candy. I like this a lot. And I don't do much with these beads. I just like to look at them, I guess. That's so stupid. I have to make something, and I'll get back to you when I have. I will, post. This is what I made in February or March or April or whatever it's gonna be. But this is nice. I'm happy with the box anyway. Little bit disappointed because I think it was too few things. Anyway, better luck next time. It is a beautiful box anyhow. All right, bye.